Hey, hi. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can create the activities in KITABOO. Once you sign in as a main admin, you can go to the activity sections. Now you can see it has already list of activity which you previously created. You can anytime modify that, publish it, download the package, or delete the activity as well. Right? Let's say you want to create a new activity. You need to click on this Start New Project. Here you will get two options. One, non-gradable activity or gradable activity. You can choose between them and just click on next. And you can provide the title of your activity. So I'm saying nursing, I'm just saying intro, and this will be the, you can say, let me just type, you can say this is for science category, and I can click on add. You can see the activity we just provided a metadata, it get added to the list. I can just click on the start authoring by clicking on this edit option, and my authoring shall get launched. On the top, I have the text editor where I can bold, italic, and everything I can do. On the right hand side, I have the list of elements like widgets, different types of widgets which I can use. You also have an option to change the style. So if you don't want any of the style, you can just change the styles. And if you don't want author name, you can just change it. This is how. Let's say you want to add a text. Like just I can just drag and drop. I can type my text. Okay, my summary text about this learning of about the nursing. And next, I can say that whether I want any of the style, I can choose this. I can say that drop cap. And later, let's say I want to add a one quiz. I can just drag and drop the multiple choice here, right? So let me just drag again. So I can just drag and drop the group, and inside that group, I can drag and drop the multiple choice quiz. Right? You can see it will ask you the question options. So I can just type my questions and options. Just added the two questions, right? And I selected the correct answer also. So once you've done this, you can anytime preview this, how it will look to the end users. So this is how it will look. So you have a header, you have a summary text, and you have quiz. So you can just select, click on next, select, click on submit. So you will see whether it is correct, incorrect. And once you're done, just close this window and just go back to this main landing page again. Right now, I can just go ahead and publish in the SCORM or the HTML format, and different languages also available for you. You can publish it. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.